Hi everyone, I'm Bob Grip, and welcome to the third match of the 2015 HiQ season featuring teams from BC Rain, St. Luke's, and the home team, Murphy. The questions you're going to hear this morning are prepared in 16 categories by educators throughout the country who are all experts in their fields. They try to make the questions equally challenging. Here's how the points are awarded. In a regular category, each team will receive its own question in that category. The teams will then have 15 seconds and 4 opportunities to answer. A correct answer on the first try is worth 4 points. Each time an incorrect answer is given, it's worth 1 less point. And if a team misses it entirely, either of the other 2 teams can gain 1 point with a correct answer, and I'll explain some of the other scoring as we go on. Now, as the faculty advisors and the supporting team members return to their seats, I'd like to tell you that the coordinator for HiQ and the producer of today's competition is Julie Harper. Our equipment managers are Joe Mills and Wendell Lewis. We always begin a HiQ competition with some questions and current events, and we'll do so again today. So good luck to all 3 teams. Score as many points as you can. That's the whole idea. So good luck, everybody. We'll start with a question to Murphy in current events. Here is your question. Give the 3-letter acronym that the Pakistan Taliban is informally known by.
THP?
Try again.
TTP?
TTP is right. Very good. 3 points. St. Luke's. Give me the first and the last name of the first female bishop of the Church of England.
Catherine Simmons.
Try again. Murphy.
Libby Lane?
That's right. 1 point. Libby Lane. Hey, BC Rain. Give the name of the Hollywood studio that was recently hacked.
Sony.
That's right. 4 points. Sony. Very good. And now we're going to change topics and ask some questions in American history. Back to our home team. The ballot, or the right to vote, was not a birthright in the colonies in 1775. 2 criteria were used for voting eligibility. One was religious affiliation. Give the name of the other qualification to vote.
They had to own land.
What was that again?
They had to own land.
Yes, that's right. Property ownership. St. Luke's. Sir Ferdinand Gorges made several failed attempts to colonize a territory where fishermen and fur traders had settled long before the founding of Plymouth. In 1677, this area was absorbed by the Massachusetts Bay Colony. It did not become a separate state for nearly 150 years. Give me the name of this state.
Maine.
That's right. 4 points. Maine. BC Rain. In 1606, the Virginia Company of London received a charter for a settlement in the New World. Give the complete name of the king who granted this charter.
King James.
Try again.
Henry.
Try again. St. Luke's.
King George.
No. Murphy.
King James?
No, I needed, his complete name is James the First. Couldn't just take James, sorry. No points on that. Biology topic to Murphy. Identify the name of a partially enclosed body of water where the salinity is intermediate because fresh water and salt water are mixed.
An estuary?
Estuary is right. Of course, we have one here. St. Luke's. Identify the lake zone at the shallow edge of the water near shore.
Coastal plain.
Try again.
Delta.
Try again. Hey, Murphy or BC Rain? Murphy?
Shell?
No. BC Rain? Some combat ships are built at Austell for this. Littoral combat ships. Littoral is what we're looking for. BC Rain. Name the grassy biome that has a dry climate, borders the tropics, and receives seasonal rainfall.
Savannah.
Yes, 4 points. Very good. Savannah. Time for our first toss-up of the match. In the toss-up categories, the first team to push its buzzer answers first. There's 4 points for correct answer, and of course only one answer per team, so as soon as you think you know the answer, buzz in. Everybody, hands on your buzzers? Located in Toronto, Canada, the Hockey Hall of Fame has 375 members composed of players, builders, and on-ice officials. Give the year that the Hockey Hall of Fame opened. Murphy?
1944.
No. St. Luke's or BC Rain? BC Rain? Go ahead.
1946.
No. St. Luke's?
1950.
1961. 1961. No points. Literature is the topic. To Murphy. In Tony Cade Bambara's short story titled Happy Birthday, give the first name of the narrator.
Ollie.
Right. Very good. 4 points. St. Luke. In Truman Capote's short story titled The Thanksgiving Visitor, the narrator's aunt cut from the garden for Thanksgiving a specific type of flower that reminded her of lions and kingly characters. Give the name of this specific flower.
Rose.
Try again.
Dandelion.
Try again.
Daisy.
Try again.
Lily.
No. BC Rain.
Sunflower.
What was it?
Sunflower.
No. Murphy.
A daisy.
Chrysanthemums. That's what we need. No points. BC Rain. In Alice Munro's short story titled Walker Brothers Cowboy, give the name of the street in Tuppertown on which the narrator and her family live. Okay, Murphy or St. Luke's? Murphy.
Jackson Street.
No. St. Luke's? No, it was Grove Street. Grove Street. All right, now we're going to ask some questions in math. We changed the rules for math. The teams will have 60 seconds to answer a question instead of 15, and the teams get copies of every question for possible bonus points. But our first math question is directed to Murphy, so everyone open your yellow math envelopes, please. This is just Murphy's question. There are 2 points on the horizontal axis, the x-axis, so that the distance from each point to the point in the plane given by 5, 2 is 7. What is the sum as an integer of all 4 coordinates of these 2 points?
$33.
Try again.
9.
Try again.
$15.
Try again.
2.
No. Teams, wait for the buzzer if you'd like to answer. BC Rain.
14.
No. St. Luke's.
19.
No. 10. 10. You're so close. All right, next math question goes to St. Luke. So everyone open your red math envelopes, please. In order that the polynomial p of x equals 4x cubed plus 5x squared minus 6k times x minus 16 have a root of 2, same as a factor of x minus 2, the value of k has what integer value? $30 seconds.
4.
Try again.
6.
Try again.
7.
Try again.
8.
No. Teams wait for the buzzer. You have another 16 seconds to work out the problem, but don't buzz in early. Hey, Murphy or BC Rain, anybody have an answer? No. Okay, Murphy.
4.
No. BC Rain.
12.
What was it?
12.
No. 3. 3 was the answer we needed. No points. All right. BC Rain, here's your math question. Everybody open your blue math envelopes. A closed rectangular box has dimensions all different of P, Q, and R. If each dimension is tripled, multiplied by 3, the increase of the surface area will be increased by what multiplier? Your answer should be an integer.
Great.
30 seconds.
27.
Try again.
Nah, I guess I was 9. I'm 3. 9.
Yes, 3 points. All right, we're back to some 15-second questions now. Topic is Shakespeare. Back to Murphy. In the Comedy of Errors, when prompted by Aegeon, this character states, "I never saw my father in my life." Give the name of the character who states this.
Antipholus of Ephesus?
Yes, 4 points. St. Luke's your question in Shakespeare. In Act 4, Scene 2 of Love's Labour's Lost, Nathaniel and Holofernes read a letter given to Jaconetta. When Holofernes reads the superscript, he finds the letter addressed to the snow-white hand of this character. Give the name of this character.
Isabella.
Try again.
Mariana.
Try again.
Catherine.
Try again. Murphy?
The princess.
No. BC Rain.
Dromo.
What was it?
Dromo.
No. Lady Rosalind. Lady Rosalind. BC Rain. In Measure for Measure, before Aeschylus is being questioned about his trade, this character asks, "Does your worship mean to geld and splay all the youth of the city?" Give the name of this character.
Claudia. Claudia.
No, try again.
Isabella.
Try again.
I got nothing after that.
Okay, St. Luke's.
Lucencio.
No, sorry. Murphy?
The Duke in disguise.
No. Pompey or the clown. That's what we needed, no points. Geography. Back to our home team now. One of the most fertile agricultural regions in the world stretches in a huge arc across parts of the Netherlands, Germany, and Poland. Give the complete name of this agricultural region. Five seconds.
The fertile lands.
No, St. Luke's or BC Rain? St. Luke's.
Fertile Crescent.
No. BC Rain. No, it was the Northern European Plain. That's the exact name we needed. St. Luke's, your question. Zagreb is the capital and largest city of a Balkan country that emerged out of the breakup of Yugoslavia. Give the name of the country whose capital is Zagreb.
Croatia.
Correct. That's right. 4 points. BC Rain. Runoff water from the Alps fills a dominant river in northern Italy. The river flows in a westerly direction and empties into the Adriatic Sea. Give the name of this river. Five seconds. St. Luke's.
The Po River.
The Po River is right. Very good, 1 point. Okay, we're halfway through our competition right now. St. Luke's has 9, BC Rain has 11. Murphy is in the lead with 20 points. And now we'll have a short break while the teams make any changes they wish here at halftime.
Need a loan for a newer used car, truck, RV, ATV, or even home? A credit union's the way to go. We're New Horizons Credit Union, the largest local credit union in Southwest Alabama, where your deposits help a neighbor purchase a car or home. It goes right back into our local economy. So if you live, work, worship, or go to school in Southwest Alabama, don't send your money to Mississippi or Florida. Go local. Join New Horizons Credit Union. We have roots here, not just branches.
We're going to open the second half of the competition now with some questions in chemistry. Back to Murphy. State the name of the isomer of 1,2-dichloroethene that has a dipole moment of 0. Five seconds. Okay, St. Luke's or BC Rain? No. It was trans 1,2-dichloroethane. St. Luke's. State the name of the unit of length equal to 10 to the negative 10 power meters. Five seconds.
Millimeter.
Try again. Okay, Murphy or BC Rain? BC Rain.
Nanometer.
What was it?
Nanometer.
No. Murphy.
Micrometer.
Angstrom. That's what we needed. BC Rain. State the number of nitrogen atoms found in one molecule of hydrazine.
One.
Try again.
2.
That's right, 3 points. Art history is our next topic. Back to our home team. The Barberini Palazzo is one of the most important aristocratic residences to be built in Rome during the first half of the 17th century. Inspired by the traditional layout of country villas, identify the particular letter of the alphabet the plan for the palazzo resembles.
O.
Try again.
H.
H is right, 3 points. St. Luke's. In the 18th century, impressive scenes glorifying the reign of Louis XIV by various well-known painters were reproduced in an entirely different art form at 3 French factories. Once created to cover vast areas of walls, these scenes were often woven to fit into a wooden framework. Give the general name of this unique art form.
Tapestry.
That's right, tapestry is correct. BC Rain. As this architectural segment of a building rises, it transforms into a perfect circle. It can serve as a curved roof, a ceiling, or a base for a light architectural structure known as a cupola. Give the name of this architectural feature of a building or church which resembles an inverted bowl.
Blandanchi.
was it again?
Blandanchia.
I couldn't hear you.
It's a canopy. Blandanchino. I can't say the word.
No, try again.
A dome.
Yes, very good. All right, now it's time for team choice. Now, before the match, each team chose the topic it wanted to be quizzed on. There's 4 points for a correct answer, but teams, the twist here is only 1 answer per team. So if a team misses it entirely, either of the other 2 teams can then buzz in and get 2 points for a correct answer instead of just 1. All right? So Murphy, you chose American history. Again, just 1 answer, please. Here's your question. Many impoverished freemen in the Chesapeake area were frustrated by their inability to acquire land. This frustration boiled over in the form of a rebellion against the governor in 1676. Give me the last name of the man who led this rebellion.
Shay.
Sorry. St. Luke's or BC Rain. You can buzz in at any time and get 2 points. St. Luke's.
Sutter.
No. BC Rain?
Shaw.
No. Nathaniel Bacon? Bacon was the name. No points. Geography is a topic. To St. Luke, again, just one answer, please. The Czech Republic is a landlocked country whose capital boasts quaint buildings and a rich history of music and culture. Give the name of the capital of the Czech Republic.
Prague.
That's right, 4 points. BC Rain chose literature. Again, just one answer. In Tony Cade Bambera's short story titled Maggie of the Green Bottles, tell the color of the box that Maggie asked the narrator to find under her bed and bring to her.
Blue.
Sorry. Murphy or St. Luke's? You can buzz in with an answer if you know it. St. Luke's.
Green.
What was it?
Green.
No. Murphy.
Purple.
Pink. A pink box. No points on that. All right, time for our second toss-up of the match. It's in Shakespeare for this match. So teams, hands on your buzzers. As soon as you think you know the answer, buzz in. Here's the question. In Henry IV, Part 2, near death, the king asks, doth any name particular belong unto the lodging where I first did swoon? Give the name of the character who responds, 'tis called Jerusalem, my noble lord. Five seconds. It was the Earl of Warwick, or Warwick, no points. Physics is our topic. To Murphy, state the name of the two-dimensional geometric shape characteristic of the planetary orbits in our solar system.
Oval.
Try again.
Elliptical.
Yes. Very good. 3 points. Elliptical. St. Luke's, your question in physics. State the name of the derived unit for pressure that is equivalent to 1 Newton per meter squared.
MPI?
Try again.
Joule.
Try again. Murphy.
Pascal.
Right. Very good. 1 point. PC Rain. Name the point in space through which all rays near and parallel to the principal axis of a concave mirror reflect.
Diffraction.
Try again.
If a concave member, the point. Yeah, go ahead. Reflection.
Nope. Murphy or St. Luke's? Murphy?
Triple point.
No. St. Luke's. Comes together to the focal point. Focal point. American government's a topic. To Murphy. As a general rule, the 22nd Amendment allows a person to serve a maximum of 2 full terms or 8 years in office. However, it is possible under the law for a person to serve longer if they succeed to the office. Give the number of years of the longest possible presidential term of office now allowed.
10.
That's right, 4 points. St. Luke. In his or her role as main architect of American foreign policy and the nation's chief spokesperson to the rest of the world, what the president says and does is carefully followed. Give the name of this presidential role.
Commander-in-Chief.
Try again.
Chief Executive.
Try again.
Secretary of State?
Try again. Murphy?
Chief diplomat.
Yes, chief diplomat is right. 1 point for Murphy. BC Rain. The president may allow a bill to become law without acting on it by a specified length of time, not counting Sundays. Specify the length of time required for this to happen.
35?
Try again.
Oh, 5 days.
Try again.
3 days.
Try again.
28.
No. Teams. Luke, St. Luke's?
4 days.
No. Murphy?
2 months.
No. 10 days. 10 days. No points. World history is the topic. To Murphy. During the second half of the 19th century, opposition to British rule grew in Ireland. Some Irish wanted independence, while others preferred local control over internal affairs only. Give the term that describes the local control of a region by a ruling government.
Home rule.
Yes, home rule is right. St. Luke's. In the late 18th century, England's prisons were severely overcrowded. To help solve this problem, the British decided to establish a penal colony in one part of the British Empire. Give the name of this place.
Australia?
That's right, Australia is correct. 4 points. Had plenty of room there. BC Rain. The growth of factories caused thousands of families to relocate to cities where workers were needed. Give the term by which this movement from largely rural areas to cities is known.
Industrial Revolution.
Try again.
Industrial Movement.
Try again. St. Luke's.
Urbanization.
Yes, urbanization is right. 1 point for St. Luke's. We're down to the last question in today's contest. It's a math question. It's a toss-up worth 4 points. First team to push its buzzer answers first. Ready, everybody? Open your white math envelopes now. Linda rode a circular Ferris wheel at an amusement park near her home in Dallas. The radius of the wheel is 28 over pi yards. As clients were being seated for the ride, Linda was seated first with her friend. As others were loaded, the wheel moved 5/8 of one revolution. How far in yards did Linda travel? Give your answer as an integer. Murphy.
35 over 2 pi yards.
Sorry. St. Luke's or BC Rain? St. Luke's.
21 pi yards.
No, sorry, BC Rain.
55 over pi.
No, the answer was 35. Just plain old 35 yards. We needed an integer. No points on that. Final score today, BC Rain with 17, St. Luke's with 22. Today's winner, Murphy, with 36 points.